We came to Pusan City Molar Color Industrial Company, limited today, which is a filter capacity of net 20 pieces of Craft's double wet chemical factory. Next we visit Together It. We are mainly engaged in the tin chemical wood plate puzzle, popular hanging decorations and other products. Our samples have a number of series including arrow coasters, crystal signs, shield round beer lid covers, the domestic Europe and the United States green navigation, and other international markets. Mainstream style, a start order are to be sent. The stock has 200 pieces to meet the needs of small and large orders to take new products on a monthly basis. Each product is the result of cutting-edge technology and non-lead cage, so that it can be closer to the needs of users' factory in Pusan City, Fujian Province, Xiuyu District, Dongqiao Town on the Tang Jewelry City Industrial Park plant area of 200 square feet. Here are a number of complete production lines. We have 10 sets of large UV printing equipment, 15 sets of punching transfer equipment,